Happy New Year, everyone. Back again for another vid. A Christmas present. Not that Nite Jogger, but the new iteration of the shoe. The 3M collaboration. Let's take a look. So this is a modern silhouette that I've wanted for a while. And my good friend Kay picked these up for Christmas for me. I know there's a lot of controversy about the name, which I agree with. I mean, they are Nite Joggers. They should have come up with something different for these. But you know, I'm really happy to get these as a modern silhouette. They look really nice on foot. I would say true to size. They are quite tight to get on and off with this narrow aperture. But so I half sized it up. So I've got a little wiggle room for my toes, but they are quite tight around this area. So yeah, that's the sizing really. 3M, okay. You can see the logo there. What are 3M? Well, a bit strange really. They're a multinational conglomerate, massive company that make all sorts of stuff. Now I know them growing up as a kid for making floppy disks for my Amiga computer in the 90s. They also do industrial strength adhesive tape and stuff like that. I'll pop a little screenshot in here. So the collaboration with Adidas really is down to the reflective technology, so all this kind of stuff. So when you camera flash them, they kind of change. The most famous and best example is these amazing Quest stars from a few years back. I will have to do a video on these as well because they're fantastic. But back to the Nite Jogger, next generation, whatever you want to call them, the Boost Nite Jogger. Lots of nice details on these. Obviously got this Boost sole unit. Rather than the white though, it's actually coloured dark to match the colour of the shoe. If we do a toe to tongue on the shoe, nice 3M detail on the lace stay. And if we get round into the daylight, let's just get the lace out of the shoe. Thank you. We do have some nice 3M detailing on the footbed. And there you go, 3M Scotchlite reflective material on the underside of the tongue, and then you do have on the instep of the shoe, nice 3D 3M logo. Just adds to this collaboration that Adidas have had now for a number of years. Exposed foam on the tongue, so sort of a hint of vintage on that, if you like. You don't often see that with Adidas models actually, but it seems to be the in thing now. So there you go, kids. That is the 3M Nite Jogger. Okay, you get these in the sales now for about £50. I think they're well worth it. I go true to size, as I would sort of suggest to you on that. If we go back around to the heel, actually, missed this off, didn't I? Got reflective heel tab and more 3M detailing on the heel support there, as you can see. I have worn these once on Christmas Day, so it's not a virgin unboxing for me. But yeah, nice little shoe for Christmas, fantastic. What have I got next? Let me think. Come on Barbie, let's go party. That's right, so that'll be coming next. Big hype on the next video, so keep your eyes peeled. I will get these on foot now. I might go into town, try and do something different. I might not. But yeah, I'll get these on foot anyway for the end of the video. Once again, thank you for watching the channel. Thanks for the support. Happy New Year. I hope 2020 is good for you. Take care, kids. See you next time. Cheers.
What do I press, the white one?
White one.
How do you know it's
That's
taken
it?
it?
Done. Yeah, just get zoomed in.
Let's get a bit closer.
Yeah. Okay. Have you got plenty of background? Water.
I've got some water. Woo!
Okay. I'll go round.
I don't know if it's taken it.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It's not doing
Go
anything.
again. That's it. Yeah, do that. Done that. That's it.
Do you want to check first? Do you want to do some of these?
Hang on, you're too quick.
Look at these. Woohoo.
Hang on.